Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Court, we're seeing, well, really kind of comfortable temperatures out there, but as it heats up, as the winds pick up, it makes me pretty nervous.
Yeah, and the fire danger is still high today. The
Yeah.
red flag warning in effect right now. That's going to expire in a couple hours. The reason why that's expiring is that winds are not going to be as strong as we head into your Friday. So that's expiring tonight. Staying sunny and hot on Friday. In fact, we're getting hotter, and then your extended forecast, very hot out there. So get ready. Make sure you're dressed for the heat. If you are going to be doing some outdoor activities, plan ahead and make sure you're doing those earlier in the day, and also make sure you're staying hydrated. It is going to be dangerously hot out there as we head especially towards the middle of next week. As far as what we're seeing outside right now, 95 degrees in Chico, wind out of the northwest around 9 miles an hour. Redding, 96 degrees with sunny skies, northwest winds to 10 miles an hour. Red Bluff right now, 97 degrees, sunny with north winds to 6 miles an hour. In Orville, 94 degrees, sunshine, northwest winds to 12 miles an hour. So winds not as strong as yesterday. Yesterday we had sustained winds at this time up to around 25 miles an hour. That's not what we're seeing today. Nonetheless, humidity still very low, 10 to 20%. The red flag warning expiring at 8 p.m. tonight. Tomorrow we're not seeing fire danger elevated to the extent that we're seeing it today. It's still going to be very dry out there. Winds shifting though for tomorrow afternoon. Satellite and radar showing mostly clear skies overhead this evening. Now high pressure is going to be building in over the next couple of days. That's going to keep us dry and get us hotter as we head through your weekend. So temperatures are on the rise. Today hotter than yesterday, tomorrow much hotter than today, and even hotter as we head into next week. High pressure centered down to our south and east through the end of your 7-day forecast. Still the main dominant feature though, and that's going to keep the storm track to our north over the next several days. So no rain in sight in your forecast. We'll see a few clouds here and there. That's about it. Getting a look at what to expect for your Friday. Temperatures tomorrow topping out in the high 80s to high 90s for the northern mountains. Mostly sunny skies for your afternoon. For the Sierra, we're going to be ending up in the mid to high 80s for the afternoon. Foothill areas dipping into the 50s to 60s overnight, ending up in the 90s for the most part in the afternoon on Friday. And if you're in the valley, low to mid 60s overnight. Winds tonight still out of the north around 10 miles an hour. Tomorrow, triple-digit heat on the way. Towards your afternoon, we're mostly seeing winds out of the east to 10 miles an hour. Mid-valley areas, mid to high 60s for the most part overnight, so it's going to be very warm out there for the start of your Friday. Triple-digit high temperatures projected for the afternoon. By the afternoon hours, we're also seeing south winds to 10 miles an hour, but not much influence from the Delta breeze. Your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast, where your weekend's always in view. Triple-digit heat across the board for the next 7 days. Getting even hotter as we head into next week, up to the 105 range. Thursday could even be hotter than that. Overnight low temperatures, not much recovery there. 60s to low 70s, especially by the end of your 7-day forecast, only dropping into the 70s overnight. Redding, very similar, 101 on Friday, triple digits through your first weekend of the summer season. Summer officially kicks off on Saturday afternoon, Father's Day on Sunday. And then Haley, downright hot. 105 to 110 degrees Monday through at least Thursday of next week. Overnight lows only falling into the low 70s. So get ready. The heat is on.
Thanks, Court. Looks brutal.